lilipat na ako sa new apartment. So right now, I have to fix my things and kailangan ko na silang lagay sa box para ready to go na sila by Monday. Kasi Monday is a holiday here. So that's the only time I am free. And also yung driver na mag-help sa akin, so reliable to move. So yes, I am gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss this place so much because I love my space here. I really love this room. I love how I decorated this. I love how I put my personality and character into it. But I'm also excited for the new beginning and excited for this new place that I want to decorate again and put my personality in there too. So let's go. So yung landlord ko, si Tita, she gave me a bunch of boxes na nakuha niya dun sa mga stores sa labas. She helped me with getting these boxes para hindi na daw ako bumili. So, ngayon, i-box ko na yung mga kailangan i-box. Before the move-in day and ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin. So I have to disassemble this table and remove this, and the curtains I have to remove this as well, and to just put everything outside para mabilis na siyang ma-pick up by Monday. So yeah. So today is my last night here, and my tita will be coming to pick me up and bring some of my stuff to the new apartment to help me move. And tomorrow is my official move-in date. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them, and yeah, everything is so fast. So these are the boxes, and I already changed the curtains to the original ones. And I'm still here on my bed though, but yeah. Bye.
Hi. Good luck, Fiona.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
Thank you so much.
It's not a goodbye. It's just a
Yeah, see you.
movie. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You've been so nice. That's all.
Yay. Bye po.
Text lang.
Sige po. Okay, so as I entered, I put this stuff here, the center of the room. so much. Hello! Oh my God! Finally, natapos din ang paglilipat. Sobrang daming gamit na naipon. And ang hassle. So, next time, siguro mag-hire na ako ng moving truck talaga. Mini tour, but this is the patio. New home. So I am going to start to unpack my things. Hindi pa ako naliligo, guys. Like literally kakagising ko lang. After ko mag-toothbrush and all that stuff, tumawag si Kuya Ed. And he told me na malapit na siya. So I was like, okay. Sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. And I'm here. Buy some stuff that I need for cleaning and I don't know, storage and basta yung mga simple stuff. Failed kasi yung binilhan ko ng bed is, hindi siya available today to bring the bed to my place. So now I'm going to my girl Mel because she's gonna lend me her mattress. I'm here. The mattress is so comfortable, huh? Baby stuff. Theo. Cute. I got the bed and I am going home. The driver is... So tonight is my first night here. I don't have a bed yet. Got it. Oh my God. That is so heavy. So I help the mover to bring the sofa here. And it's so freaking heavy. Plus the elevator is so small. It doesn't fit.
It's so freaking big.
Well, I expected it to be really this big though. So let me just clean the last. Basket and a lot of stuff here from Ate Pao.
So this is the current situation I have for now.
I have the sofa, which I will be sleeping in later because I don't have the bed yet. And I opened my Himalayan lamp. I don't know why, but it always feels like home whenever I have this Himalayan lamp. So this is my lights for tonight. I don't have curtains yet. It hasn't arrived yet, and I also have to install the rods here, which I don't know how. We'll see. That is my bar table and my bar stool. I'm gonna have my breakfast there tomorrow. And these are the mess that I have to take out. This have to be installed. And these are the rods that I have to figure out how to install as well. And this is the Mac that I don't know how to use yet. I have wicker baskets from Ate Pao. Yes, so messy. And look at my wrap. Yan lang po yung laman. This one. That's basically it. Yes, my mattress is here finally. From Sleep Country.
Delivery from IKEA. Finally, dumating na din.
I am going to here and some IKEA products. First one that I got is this mirror. It's not too tall, but I can put it on the wall like that. Maybe that's tall. Put it beside the sink para dito mo malagay yung plate. This is for my sister and I. And I got this nice pillow because the one that I have is super thin niya, so medyo masakit siya sa likod. So, ganito siya. Parang nag-online selling ako ah. So, ganito siya. Parang may support siya sa back mo and neck mo. Meron naman akong gamit dito pang install. So, basically parang kumot siya dito. Parang comforter siya na kailangan mo for winter para hindi pa lamig. So, duvet yung tawag. And this is for my sister then. So I'm not gonna open it. Oh my god, every day I'm in awe of this view. I super love this. I love watching sunset. This is my leftover lunch from earlier, and this is the view.